Do you ever feel like your attention span is getting shorter? Like you sit down to work, but 5 minutes later you get a ping and you start scrolling social media. Why does this keep happening? Just imagine what you could accomplish if you could sit for deep work and finish it in time and with quality. That's focus. Mastering focus is an art. Anyone can do it with a simple and right approach. Let's decode. In this video, we'll understand how one can cultivate laser sharp focus for long-term excellence. Stick with me, it's worth your attention. So what is focus? Imagine your mind like a flashlight. When it's scattered, the beam is weak and unfocused, lighting up everything but revealing nothing clearly. But when you concentrate on it, the beam is sharp and powerful, cutting through the darkness and showing exactly what you need to see. Your mind works the same way. When you concentrate on energy on one thing at a time, you get things done faster and better. So, in simple words, focus is your ability to direct the beam of attention towards a single task while blocking out distractions. Now, why does it matter? In a world full of distractions, focus is your superpower. It's the power that helps athletes win and break records, entrepreneurs build empires, artists create masterpieces, writers craft timeless stories, and musicians compose breathtaking symphonies, and most importantly, leaders creating transformations. Let us understand the core of it. Why? Why your focus might be getting weaker every day. There are many reasons. We lose focus primarily due to how our brain processes attention and rewards. The prefrontal cortex, the part of our brain responsible for focus and decision making, constantly competes with the limbic system, which seeks instant gratification. Let's go through some of the main factors that affect our focus on productivity. Neurological and psychological factors. Our brain is naturally wired to seek pleasure and avoid discomfort, which is why distractions like social media and multitasking feel so addictive. These activities flood our brain with dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. It reinforces a habit loop that prioritizes instant gratification over deep and effortful work. Now, since quick rewards feel more satisfying, our brain begins to favor checking messages, scrolling feeds, or shifting between tasks instead of engaging in sustained focus. Over time, this weakens our ability to concentrate for long periods, making distractions more appealing than important tasks. Another key factor affecting focus is attention residue, the lingering effect of switching between tasks or multitasking. When we shift from one activity to another, a portion of our attention remains stuck on the previous task, reducing our cognitive capacity for the new one. Research shows that even a brief distraction, like reading a notification, can take up to 23 minutes to regain full focus. Additionally, mental fatigue from excessive task switching and decision making weakens the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for self control and focus. As a result, we become more prone to procrastination, impulsive behavior, and mind wandering, making it even harder to complete deep and meaningful work. Environmental factors. Your environment silently shapes your ability to focus. Noise, interruptions, and digital distractions constantly pull your attention away, forcing your brain to multitask. Since our brain has limited processing power. Every small distraction, like a phone buzzing, people talking, or traffic noises, breaks concentration and make it harder to regain deep focus. A cluttered workspace is another environmental factor that impacts focus. When your surroundings are disorganized, your brain processes it as visual noise, increasing cognitive load and making it harder to concentrate on the task at hand. Biological and physical factors. Your physical well being also plays a crucial role in focus. Lack of sleep is a major factor that weakens cognitive functions, making it harder to filter distractions and stay attentive. Studies show that sleep deprivation reduces reaction times and decision making abilities, further affecting concentration. Poor nutrition and dehydration can also lower mental clarity. If your body lacks essential nutrients, your brain struggles to function optimally. Additionally, a sedentary lifestyle reduces blood flow to the brain, making you feel sluggish and reducing cognitive sharpness. Regular movement and exercise help maintain focus by keeping the brain active and alert. Now we know what is focus, why we need focus, and we have also gone across all the things and activities that weaken our focus. We can now regain and sharpen our focus and crush our goals. It all starts with training your mind to resist distractions. We got you a small and simple exercise or a method, you can say, designed in Decode Lab called Focus Locus. Yeah, so let's do this. Here is how it works. Pick an object, let's say a leaf. Sit somewhere quiet and really take it in. Notice the color, the texture of the leaf, the way it smells, even how it feels if you run your fingers over it. The goal here is to absorb every tiny detail with all your senses. Now, close your eyes and recreate that leaf in your mind. Picture its shape, its color, its smell. If your memory feels fuzzy, open your eyes, check again, and try once more. This simple practice trains your brain to hold on to details with total clarity. Kinda like a mental gym session for focus and precision. Now here is the trick. To make it even more powerful, connect it to your goals. After understanding the leaf example and how to go about it, now shift your focus to something you want to achieve. Picture yourself reaching that goal. See it, feel it, believe it. By practicing this regularly, you strengthen your ability to stay locked in and determined, making every distraction fade into the background. Focus Locus Daily Routine. You can take a routine with Focus Locus technique. Pick an object like we did before. You can take anything of your choice. Try complicated objects to improve more. Observe it deeply, noticing every detail. Reflect on a goal you want to achieve. Visualize yourself accomplishing it with focus and confidence. Over time, Focus Locus will help you start gaining focus by filtering distractions. You'll find yourself staying on task longer, improving mental endurance, and executing tasks with sharper precision. Try it and, importantly, stay consistent. You can review this exercise in the comment section. Apart from this short and simple focus locus exercise, there are also simple consistent practices, mental disciplines, and intentional techniques to improve focus over time. By developing healthy habits, managing energy levels, and using structured methods, you can gradually enhance your focus and sustain deep concentration for longer periods. Your vision is the spark of your flame of focus. Defining a vision in life that keeps you going no matter the setbacks is like having an internal compass, something that keeps you on track even when things get tough. Your vision should be something deeply meaningful, something that excites you, and most importantly, something that aligns with your core values. Now you already might be on the way. By having a clear vision of your life, but if you don't have a clear vision yet, next part is just for you. So how do you define this vision? You can watch a video how to think to get a clear idea and a structured way of thinking to help you define vision. Go watch that video if you haven't already. Let's start this special technique designed in Decode based lab called vision simulation technique. Our minds are best at simulating any experiences. We simulate future events in our heads. We call them plans, or for most of them, they turn into worries. The mind is also able to simulate the past experiences and events with great detail, but it is never the accurate version of the actual event. This power of our mind to vividly simulate things is very helpful for us to create our vision. Start by asking yourself a few questions. What am I good at? What kind of impact do I want to have? What excites me? What legacy do I want to leave behind? As you start answering these questions, your answers will start painting a picture of the direction you truly want to go in your life. It's not about setting just any goal, it's about creating a vision that fuels your passion and purpose. Now, once you have that vision, write it down. Make it as clear and detailed as possible. The more detailed and colorful your vision, the more powerful it becomes. This is the power of vision simulation technique. Now here is the game changer. Reinforce it daily. Another powerful reinforcement tool is journaling. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect on the small steps you took towards your vision. Did you learn something new? Did you push through a tough moment? Even a small wins add up, and acknowledging them keeps you motivated. A vision is only as strong as the effort you put in to keeping it alive. Start every morning by reminding and simulating that vision in your mind. Visualize yourself living it and feel the emotions tied to achieving it. This simple habit keeps your vision front and center, making it harder to drift away when challenges come up. A great way to strengthen this habit is by using the focus locus technique. To take this practice further, after visualizing the flower, shift your focus to your vision. Remember, setbacks and failures aren't the end of the road. Creating a focus-friendly environment is super essential for deep concentration and productivity. By simply optimizing your workstation, managing your devices, and cultivating a focused mindset, you can eliminate distractions and stay in the zone. First step is to optimize your workstation. Declutter. Keep only the essentials on your desk. A clean and organized space reduces mental distractions. Lighting also matters. Use natural light whenever possible. If not, opt for a soft and warm lighting to reduce eye strain. Sound control. If noise is an issue, try noise cancellation headphones and ambient sound to maintain focus. Comfort is also important. Invest in a good chair and maintain proper posture to avoid fatigue. Balance of minimalism and aesthetics. Arrange your tools efficiently and keep frequently used items within arm's reach. Second step is to take control of your devices. Your digital environment can be your biggest distraction. With constant notifications and easy access to entertainment, it's crucial to set boundaries. Turn off notifications. Disable non-essential alerts to prevent interruptions. Use focus modes. You can use tools like Do Not Disturb or apps that block distractions. Organize your digital space. Keep your desktop tidy and maintain a well-structured folder system. Use a deep work mode. If your work does not need a device, keep the devices in a separate room away from your workstation to be attentive. Third step is focused mindset. Time and work management is important, but without the right energy levels, even hours of work can be unproductive. Before trying to improve focus in your main work, first focus on sleep quality, the most important factor that affects focus. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to keep your mind fresh and active. Nutrition and hydration. Eat balanced meals with whole foods and stay hydrated to maintain mental clarity. Exercise is also one of the main factors in boosting focus and productivity. Physical movement, even a short walk, increases respiration and flow of oxygen, which boosts cognitive function and focus. Breaks and rest. Short breaks throughout the day and also during the work hour help maintain energy levels and prevent mental and physical fatigue. Long-term focus is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. The vision. By defining your vision, managing distractions, and practicing deep work, you can sharpen your attention and achieve excellence in any field. Remember, focus isn't just a skill, it's an art with a technique. The more you practice it, the more it transforms your life. So, what's your next focus project? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Also, if you are facing problems focusing on a task or work in your life, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.